Ah, the warmth of the Metra Hinsdale station waiting room. It is 2:40 p.m. Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. We're in the Metra Hinsdale, Illinois station. First we had a westbound Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway westbound manifest, and then Metra eastbound train 1262 arrived from Aurora and then departed for Chicago Union Station. Stops at most stations between Aurora and Chicago. It is a blizzard outside, snowing, 21 degrees Fahrenheit, supposed to be 9 below zero tonight, snowing maybe 2 to 6 inches of snow. Again, Metra, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Hinsdale, Illinois, Thursday, December 22nd, 2022, over and out.